While only a few feet long, honey badgers are known to fight off huge predators like lions and leopards. That aggressive behavior and complete lack of fear is probably due to how well adapted the honey badger's body is. Its skin is both loose and incredibly durable, allowing it to escape uninjured from the jaws of larger animals. Offense is the best defense. Honey badgers are also remarkably resistant to snake venom and insect stings. Like the memes say honey badgers don't give a what, but seriously, honey badgers are little badasses.